Hello everyone, welcome on the video number 2 of this little course about how to grow your X account to 1000 followers in less than 30 days. In this video, I want to give you insights about how to use X. It can seem to be a little bit presumptuous from someone like me since I just started X few months ago, but I think I already know a lot of things that work here and that most people don't do. This is why they are stuck in this loop of not getting new followers. And the insight I'd like to share with you first is to make friends and not chase the numbers. I know this is a bit counterintuitive since this course is about making followers, but there is a good reason for that. X is a social network, so it values everything that makes people spend more time on it. Because if they spend more time on X, X can display more ads and then make more money. So the way it works is that X pushes content that gets positive feedbacks from users. And by positive feedbacks, I mean replies, follow, likes, repost, and bookmarks. On the other hand, if people click on not interested or block this person, your post will get a massive decrease in reach because the algorithm will understand that users don't enjoy your content. So what you want to do is create content for the users and not for the algorithm. Because if people like your content, the algorithm will like it as well. So the main rule of this course will be to make friends and not chase the numbers. I want you to remind this rule every time you write something on X, either a post or a reply. And what this means is you don't want to sound like a robot or someone who don't care about the others. The more you care about the others and the more they will care about you and then push your content. This is called the reciprocity principle. When someone gives us something, we naturally tend to give something back in return. So if you want to grow on X, you want to give a lot of value to the people that will follow you. This means giving value through your posts, your replies, your private messages, and more generally from all of the content you're gonna create. And for some reason, people are often doing the opposite. They don't care at all about the experience of the others. All they do is going on other posts, not even saying hi and promoting their product. This is a kind of spammy behavior that you want to avoid at all costs. As I said, you want to provide value to the others first. And this was a revelation for me. The more value I gave to people, the more they were interested by the product I made without even me mentioning it. And this is literally a cheat code. You can have people being interested by what you create, for example, a SaaS or a mobile app if you're indie hacker, without even mentioning it directly. Just having a link to your product in your bio and displaying value to others is enough for them to have a look at what you build. So if you have something to sell, don't go on others' posts spamming links about your product, but instead demonstrate a lot of value and people will naturally look at your product.